Come with me on a farm tour at Cow Creek Farm in Plant City, Florida. Established in 2015, Cow Creek Farm offers 1-hour farm tours where you can pet and feed goats, donkeys, and alpacas, but the stars of the show are their Scottish Highland cows. Spoiler alert, they're super fluffy and oh so sweet. The tour starts with an introduction to their rescued Mustang horse, Radar, and some education on wild horse conservation. Mustangs are wild horses and are managed and protected by the U.S. government, but can be adopted by places like Cow Creek Farm to ensure that their needs are met. Then we met Churro, one of the farm's miniature Sicilian donkeys. Donkeys are used to protect livestock from predators like coyotes. Their loud braying acts like an alarm system, often scaring off predators, but they can also take down a coyote if that doesn't work. After that, we said hello to their alpacas. Be warned, they might spit, and goats before meeting the baby Scottish Highland cattle. Then it was time to hop on the tractor and go visit the full-grown cattle, and these big boys and gals knew that it was feeding time. We were even lucky enough to see Rusty, a newborn that had been born just that morning. Feeding the Scottish Highland cows was a blast, and all too soon our hour-long tour was up. Of course, no tour is complete without a stop in the gift shop, where you can choose from a variety of Scottish Highland themed merch. Tours are offered in the spring and fall, and tickets are a hot commodity that sell out quickly. Follow Cow Creek Farm on Instagram to find out when tickets go on sale.